All right, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I got a quick one for you all today. You know how you go out and you go out and have a good day of catching fish. Today I tried to go out and film me and my coworker catching crappie. We're in the spot today. We're on a boat today. I'm with my buddy Mike, my coworker. He trying to put me on some crappie today. Can't tell y'all where we at. We just know that we on water. But I'm learning a little few things today. We're out on this boat. Say what now? Yeah, yeah. We've already put some in the live well. Well, he's already put some in the live well. I ain't put nothing in the live well yet. I'm gonna switch it over and let y'all see what we done caught so far, or what he done caught so far. Yeah, you see that right there? Got a few little for the plates. So yeah, he called them crispies. That's when they like 10 inches, between 8 and I guess 11, 12 inches. But yeah, we're fishing with minnows, we're fishing with jigs. Um, we got a couple of markings out here for some brush piles. And again, I left some stuff at home that I should have had, but I didn't really get to get any footage of on the water fishing. But we went fishing for crappie, and we had a pretty good day. And I'm the type of person, I don't bring more home than I'm gonna eat. So I got a little bitty, you know, got a little bundle of crappie, and I just want to demonstrate how I not a complete clean, not a complete clean of how I clean my crappie to prepare them for cooking, but just a quick little thing that I do different than maybe a lot of people out there when it comes down to cleaning the scales off of fish. So hang on right quick. I'm gonna show you all how I do this. Okay, y'all. So let's keep it simple. This is the mess of fish that I have, and I have a couple of more that I have to clean. I have to get the scales off of them. So I'm just going to show you all what I do. Let me reach down and grab the next one. The first thing I do, find your hose pipe or water spout, whatever you want to call it, and come outside. Now this is not the driest way to do it, but it keeps me from having to pick up like a spoon, knife, or whatever, and just get scales all over the place. So basically what I do is I take the water hose with a spray on the end, take my fish and I put it in the palm and I put the head away from me. And what I do is I spray at an angle. And as I spray at an angle, if you spray from the back towards the head, slowly you'll see the scales fly off the fish. Now again, this is not the driest way to do it, but it's the quickest way that I know. You just spray at that right angle. As you see right here, you see the shiny part right here. And you can see right here where the scales have came off. So I just continue to spray. Kind of hold the fish. Sometimes the fish will fly out of your hands or whatever. Don't worry about that. Pick it back up, get it in the right position, and continue to spray. Spray like this right here. Get back toward the tail, kind of torque your thing. He might move a little bit or whatever, but just spray like that. You will get wet. I will go ahead and tell you, you will get wet. But just try to, you can get up above him. As you can see right there, you can see right there where the scales have started coming off. Just kind of go over it a few other times. Spray away from your body. Flip him over. See, he's white on this side. He's dark on this side. So get him motion right. Repeat it. You can see the scale just fly off of it. Now these fish are still alive, so he's squirming a little bit. But just slowly just do it. Take your time. square away from your body. You know, so if you see right here, the fish comes completely clean, the scales, and that's all it takes. And here you go with a fish that's pretty much right now. You will have to go back and make sure that you didn't leave any unscaled or whatever, you know, here and there, but you know, for the most part, you'll have them all off. Then you can turn around, take them in the house, cut the head off, however you clean them. If you clean them whole, whatever, gut them out and do the rest. You know what I'm saying? So pretty much that's what I wanted to show you all. Alright, that's pretty much it. That's how I clean the scales off my fish. The type of fish that I love to eat is brim, crappie, and every now and then I eat bass. And I use that particular method of using the spray off a hose pipe and to knock the scales off on those type of fish. And I'm pretty sure it works on other types of fish as well as those three that I just named. But those are the main ones that I use. So yeah, I appreciate every last one of y'all for, you know, sticking through the video, checking out my quick little methods. To some it may be new, to some it may be old news, you know what I'm saying? But that's what my channel is all about, is also introducing things to, you know, new things to people that they may have not thought of or whatever. And but I appreciate each and every last one of y'all for stopping by, checking out my channel. And with that being said, don't forget to go catch it.